Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very wonderful and nutritious carrot juice. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just hit the red button and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So today we're going to be using some chopped carrots, some ginger, lemon juice, some water, a drop of honey, and some ice cube in order not to kill some of the vitamins and minerals in our fruits. Okay, today I'm going to be letting us know some of the benefits of carrot juice. Carrot juice is very healthy for our vision, and it also aids in skin disorder. Carrot juice is very healthy and nutritious in vitamin K, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin C, E, and many other types of nutritious benefits in carrot juice. So we're just adding our ice cube and we're just going to blend our carrot for some minutes till our carrot is perfectly smooth and easy to sieve. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye.